ওয়াও। নিয়ম, যদি কোনো ওয়ার্ডের শেষে এ ওয়াই থাকে তাহলে ওই এ ওয়াই এর উচ্চারণ কি হবে? এই। এ ওয়াই এর উচ্চারণ এই। যদি কোনো ওয়ার্ডের শেষে এ ওয়াই থাকে তাহলে এ ওয়াই এর উচ্চারণ কি হবে? এই। সো টেক অ্যান এক্সাম্পল। এটা হচ্ছে কনসোনেন্ট বি, সাউন্ড হবে ব। ব এই। বে ব এই। বে। Have you got it? Okay. So at first I would like you. B-A-Y. Bay. Take a seat. Come here. C-L-A-Y. Clay. Take a seat. Tasfia coming. Come here. D-A-Y. Day. Aradha asho. F-A-Y. Fay. You. G-A-Y. Gay. Take your seat. Saima asho. H-A-Y. Hey. Okay. Take your seat. Aisha asho. Aisha. G-A-Y. J. Wow. Come here. Come here. K-A-Y. K. You. L-A-Y. Lay. Come here. M-A-Y. May. Good. You. N-A-Y. Nay. Take your seat. Take your seat. Sadiq. P-A-Y. Hey, take your seat. Mohamed, come here. R-A-Y. Ray. Take your seat. Ahanab. S-A-Y. S-A-Y. Say. T-A-Y. Hey. Okay. You. W-A-Y. Way. Okay. You. X-ray. What is this? X-ray. X-ray na X-ray? X-ray. Take your seat. You. S-T-A-Y. Stay. Good. Take your seat. Come here. Come here. Okay. P-L-A-Y. Play. Take your seat. You. আমরা বলি সব ঠিক আছে, এটা কি? ওকে. 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 Good. Take your seat. You. G-R-A-Y. Gray. Good. Anyone else? Look at me. Okay. Next. Next. So M-A-Y. R-A-Y. P-A-Y. L-A-Y. S-A-Y. So what will be if we pronounce it at once? May, ray, say, lay, say. Okay, you come here. Suara, come here. So what will it be?
May, ray, say, lay, say.
Wow. Take your seat. You. Great. Thank you.
Bilingual Learning Center, BLC, Bogura.